So guys, today we'll be seeing how to open this kind of number lock when you just forget the number lock in your trolley and you get panicked. So we'll see the solution for it. So first of all, we will see how the internal structure of this lock looks like. So this is how it looks from outside and this is how it looks from inside. Okay, you can see that there are some spaces on all these three discs. Okay, once you rotate, this space moves. Okay, and your lock opens when all these spaces are oriented in the same place. So like this, your lock is able to move. But even if any one of this disc is not in the proper place, this lock will not move. Okay, so the secret to this trick is you just have to keep all these spaces in one place. See, now it is moving. So even if any one of the disk is not in place, it will not move. Okay, so this is how the internal structure looks like. Now we will see how to open it when you don't know when you don't have the internal structure in place. So we will just rotate all these discs, okay, one by one, and once you rotate, you will see one hole or one empty space at some place. Okay, like this. See, we have this empty space here. Okay, you can see. So we will get the empty spaces of all the three discs in one place. Okay, now here we have this empty space of this second disc also. Now you can see that this disc also has this empty space, the second one also, but now we need to get this third one in place. We have the third one also in place. Okay, so once we see all the discs are there with this open space in front, now we will rotate each number, so each disc once. Okay, like this, like this, like this, and we will try to open the lock. So now it's not opening. See, now again we will see it's not opening. So we'll keep doing so. There will be a point where the all spaces will be in one place, and then we will try to move this lock, it will open. Okay, so now we'll try to open a lock. Okay, we'll take another trolley and see how it works. I have one trolley here. Okay. Now I'll try to find out that open space. I can see this open space in the second disc. See, and there is no that open space in the first and the third disc. You can see this closely if you can. Okay, and I will try to get that same kind of open space. Now I have that in the first disc as well. Okay, now let's try for the third one. I think we have it on third one as well. Now since we know that all those gaps are on same orientation, we will try and move all the disk one by one. Now the number here when we got all these spaces on one place was 1, 2 and 3. Now we will rotate each disk once, so the number should be 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and try to open, but it's not working. Now we will again move it once, 3, 4 and 5. It's not working. I will again move it 4, 5 and 6, and now it's working, you see. So that's how you need to open this lock. You just need to find that hole just below these discs, okay, and just try to move it one by one, and then there will be a combination finally when the lock will open. Thank you.